Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look from Medford, this is looking towards the south, towards Mount Ashland, but the thicker smoke is definitely on the south end of the valley. That's also where we're seeing the worst air quality right now. It is hot in Medford, 105 degrees. Breeze is picking up a little bit. Humidity sitting at 14% right now. Take a look at these numbers. Triple-digit temperatures throughout our west side valleys, even 100 degrees up at Union Creek. It's 105 in Jacksonville, 106 in Cave Junction, and it's 108 in Grants Pass. Much more comfortable at the coast. Right now 64 degrees in Brookings. Warm in Port Orford though, 80 degrees right now. Down in Siskiyou County, temperatures in the 90s and the triple digits, 99 in Doris and Hilt, 101 in Mount Shasta, and it's 102 degrees in Wairika. East of the Cascades, temperatures generally in the upper 90s, 98 in Klamath Falls as well as Paisley, and it's 99 in Chemult. We are seeing breezes picking up, but we're not seeing those critical fire weather conditions and the red flag warnings that we were seeing over the weekend, but it's pretty close. The conditions are a little bit better today, but not by much. We're still looking at those humidity values very low, at least in the teens, 14% in Medford, 11% in Klamath Falls. And we're seeing still a fair amount of activity on the Shelley fire, and also looking like there could be some pyrocumulus going on. That is indicative of quite a bit of erratic fire behavior and very active growth. So we're going to be watching that very closely as we head into this evening. Again, no new evacuation warnings or orders so far today for the Shelley fire. A quick check of air quality: moderate in Klamath Falls as well as Mount Shasta, unhealthy in Talent and Ashland, but right now unhealthy for sensitive groups in Medford. Better air quality as you go towards Grants Pass and the coast. Tonight down to 69 in Medford, 55 in Klamath Falls. Things will be pretty smoky throughout the region. Tomorrow, very hot, smoky in the Rogue Valley. Temperatures once again making it up into the triple digits into the afternoon. The excessive heat warnings on the west side and the heat advisories on the east side have now been extended until 9 p.m. Wednesday. Not a lot of relief from the heat through this work week. Tomorrow up to 107 in Wairika, 100 in Klamath Falls, 108 in Grants Pass and Medford, 72 for Brookings. And then here's that near surface smoke forecast. A lot of the worst smoke and air quality going to be in Siskiyou County, but we will have impacts especially in the mornings in the Rogue Valley. Also smoke working through the east side, reducing air quality at times because of the Shelley and the Salt Creek fire. Best air quality in the region going to be in the Grants Pass area and points to the west to the coast. It stays pretty hot. We ease a little bit with temperatures. 102 in the Rogue Valley on Thursday, but then we may see a little bit more noticeable of a cool down later in the weekend into early next week, but that could also come with the potential of maybe some thunderstorms east of the Cascades. We'll watch that closely. So for the coast, maybe some haze, but air quality should stay fairly good. Winds crank up and temperatures will warm a bit as well by Thursday. For Northern California, still a very hot stretch of weather. Triple-digit temperatures continuing this week. Also dealing with smoky conditions and poor air quality, mostly because of the Shelley fire, but also the Salt Creek fire. The Klamath Basin pretty hot, highs up around 100 degrees through the work week. Notice those temperatures falling back a bit this weekend, but we will have to watch that thunderstorm potential. Up in the mountains, smoky, hot. Temperatures ease a bit though as we head into the start of next week. And then in the Rogue Valley, yeah, we're not breaking out of this. We're going to keep adding to these 100-degree days. If the smoke is thick enough, that can limit some of the heating, so we'll have to watch that. But either way you slice it, Tim, it's a hot stretch of weather.
It definitely is, and either way you slice it with the wind too, yeah, it could clear out some smoke if we're going to see some, but it could also cause some wildfires, to grow a little more.
Yeah, spread quickly. Yeah, we're not winning here by any means.
Definitely not. Thanks, Matt.